Hey guys, Tony, good morning. So I did want to look at BitFarms because, well, I mean, I have a big position in this. I have like, I think like 40K in BitFarms right now. And I am kind of looking to get a little bit more right now since it did bounce off of a small micro trend on the weekly, right? We have our first bottom here back on July, or the week of July 19th, right here. Second bottom is roughly from the week of September 20th up until October 25, right? This whole sort of late September, mid-October sideways trading here before this big pop. And now we actually have set that third touch right now of this week of December 6th, right? I kind of want to buy in back right now. I do have a little bit of liquid on me. So I definitely would like to buy some more BitFarms. It would be a very good play on, let's see what the weekly looks like. The weekly is bearish though, so kind of hard for me. I might buy later in the week, I think, but I think there's a really strong chance that you've hit that third bottom already on BitFarms. I think it's very, very likely. Let me see. And I'm inclined to, I'm a little bit biased towards wanting this thing to go up because I have such a heavy position in it. But right, see, look, first bottom, second bottom was the sideways trading, and I think we might see that third bottom right now, right there. So we were actually in a bullish week. This would be such an easy buy, and I could see it running up like that, in the next couple of weeks, right? For maybe like a Santa Claus rally, for like a Christmas rally. As of right now, because we are in a, we're still in a bearish cycle for the weekly, which is not good, right? We have these light green candles right here, these like light bluish candles. So it's not even showing weak signs of bear momentum. The only bear momentum that I see right now, or weakening, is still on the daily, right? I mean, you're in the bottom of the stochastic, but you're still not even showing, any relative signs of a reversal on any single time frame. The 4 hour wants to break bullish. I mean, the 4 hour, you're already oversold, right? On the 4 hour, on the daily, you're already oversold as well. Last time you were oversold, you basically just kind of traded sideways, right? All you did was trade sideways for like a month and a half before popping. I think, there's two things that we can go about it, right? Either you buy in right now, and there's a strong chance that it just trends sideways before another pop, or you buy right now, and you can set a very tight stop loss, under trend. So if you actually end up breaking under trend, it's time to get out, because there's a big chance that you're going to go down to major trend and then fall lower. But it wouldn't be a bad idea to get an entry right now. So I'm definitely debating about getting back into, well, not back in, but adding more to my position into BitF or BitFarms, and then taking a small chance on it, maybe adding like another 10K at these levels, and then possibly seeing where it goes. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna add another 5K, 10K to BitFarms. I'll maybe sell calls for a month out or for like a week or two out, just to pick up some money, because I don't think that it'll recover so fast to like $9 or so. And if it does, you basically make the difference of $6 to $9, which is a 50% gain. If I put 10K in this, I'd make like 50K, right? So I think I might add to my position now, probably sell calls for like $8, $9, maybe like a week or two out, and if those get filled, fantastic. I think it's a risky play, but I think that if there's a tight stop loss, you would really only lose like 5%. It really just depends on where Bitcoin is actually going to go. I actually have a pretty big, not a big long, on my Forex account, but I actually have, I think I'm leveraged right now on, oh, look at that. It's already breaking trend. Look at that. So I might not even buy in, honestly. Look at that. It's already breaking trend, right? Look at Bitcoin, broke trend. And it closed that candle, right? So time to come over here, time to cash out, because it broke trend. That's my sign to get out of Bitcoin. The recovers, fantastic. Look at that, see? Just made a quick like 180 bucks, 200 bucks, whatever. Yeah, I think because you're breaking trend right now, look at that 30 minute, let's look at 30 minute on Bitcoin. Yeah, that's a nice solid break of trend. I think right now, there's a strong chance you go back to major trend. So you probably come over here, you maybe retest, and then you go down here like that. Yeah, I think I'll stay out of BitFarms for now. I want to see what the reaction is on Bitcoin, but it's not a bad idea. You know, it would not a bad idea. No, it would not be a bad idea to maybe enter BitFarms here at an extra small position. But I think there's a strong chance that it goes from 618 wherever it is right now, and it comes back and drops further down to retest that trend again. So we'll see. I think it's gonna drop a little bit more, but hopefully it doesn't. See you guys later. Bye bye.